It's no secret New Mexico has a major need for healthcare professionals, especially in dentistry. Now, months after opening its doors, New Mexico's first dental college hopes its students are working towards filling that gap. News 13's Natasha Lynn takes a look at how the school is doing.
The Touro Dental College has been training students here since August. And while they haven't had a graduating class yet, school leaders say they think this is going to bring many more new dental professionals to New Mexico. The doors of Albuquerque's Touro College of Dental Medicine have now been open for a few months. And already, the college says it's on its way to bolstering New Mexico's dental workforce.
All the students I talked to, they're like, wow, we really like it here. And like I said, data has shown that 67% of students stay where they train. So if we can get 2/3 of the students every year to stay in New Mexico, I think all the practitioners will have for the state.
There's 100 students enrolled there now, but they're hoping to have 200 students by June. Touro requires them to train in New York for the first 2 years, but the last 2 can now be spent in Albuquerque.
2 years ago, there were 2 students from the whole state that applied to dental school. Already there are 14 students from New Mexico who are applied to Touro. So we are seeing an influx of students from the state wanting to go to school here, and then they can go back to practice in their communities here.
One student in particular is spending her first 2 years at Touro in New York. She's from Albuquerque, and she's so excited to be able to come back next year to do her last 2 years back at home.
Being able to come back or even bring new people to come and stay in New Mexico, I feel like a lot of my classmates are going to fall in love with New Mexico.
She's not just hoping for a fulfilling career, but also to be part of an answer.
Growing up in New Mexico, I think anybody can kind of tell you that there's a shortage in healthcare in any realm, and experiencing that firsthand, seeing what that was like for friends and family, it was so meaningful to be able to kind of be a part of that solution.
The college hopes students like Sandra connect with the dentists they train with to help find jobs locally.
A lot of the faculty here are still their practices in the community, so the students here are forming bonds with those practitioners that have practices outside. So yeah, there's a good chance those students will go to those people's practice that are faculty here.
The first graduating class is expected to join the workforce by summer of 2027. Natasha Lynn, KRQE News 13.
So far, there are no plans to make the Albuquerque school a 4-year college, but Touro says they're open to the idea if the demand comes in the future.